Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing you another market update and day trading analysis. Okay, so today we have the FOMC speaking. They will bring out some news on the inflation, the economy in general, and the interest rate hike. How much are they gonna hike it? Well, we're gonna have to see. I'm here to warn you that today we might be fooled by the market maker. He has been moving price constantly today. As you can see, almost parabolic. So I'm here to warn you guys, you might get in play by the market maker. He wants you to go long, he wants you to buy Bitcoin before it's too late. But be careful. I'm here to bring you an analysis on why this might be a setup to reverse price. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna explain to you how I see this move today and what we might expect during the FOMC meeting and news. I'm gonna tell you first that I saw this double bottom. I hope some of you who are following this channel also saw this and took advantage of it. We have been forming a double bottom, first leg up, second leg up, and now we're in the third leg up. We might be forming a double top formation, but we'll have to see, because price has been going parabolic before the FOMC announcement. And I'm here to tell you that this doesn't look healthy. They did this exact thing at the 13th of September, where the last FOMC meeting was taking place. They moved price aggressively high up to reverse it as soon as the news came out. Are we being set up for this today as well? Well, let's see. First, we're going to look at the vector candles and the points of interest for the market maker. Where has we been marking off price aggressively? Well, we see a volume candle here currently being recovered. We have another one here which hasn't been recovered on the 5-minute time frame, so let's mark it off in the chart. We also have one here, a cluster of them as well, so I'm gonna mark it off until the last one. Also at the W bottom we have another set of volume candles going all the way down to 18.8k. These are the zones for the market maker where he has been imbalanced the chart. He's been forming shorts at these points to fool the retail trader to go long, basically. And that means price might reverse. But let's take a look at the liquidation map as well to get a greater understanding of what's going to happen. This is the latest version, and here's the current price at 19.4. As you can see, incredible amount of short liquidations in the near term. A lot of orders placed here from 19.578 to, I would say, 19.660, 660. Yeah, that is a lot of liquidation points. A lot of shorts are going to get liquidated. And let's see if we can find some volume candles here. Let's look at the 30-minute time frame maybe. Yeah, we have a big guy over here. We marked him off last week. He has recovered some of it, the market maker, but there's a slight imbalance left for him to take at 19.694, which correlates to the liquidation zone. So an interesting zone for the market maker to take, and he has been moving price aggressively. I'm warning you, stay tuned for the FOMC meeting tonight. We're gonna see a crazy amount of short liquidations and long liquidations. So be careful trading tonight. I'm warning you, it's gonna be insane. Okay guys, so to summarize this market update, as I said, the FOMC is bringing you some news and it's gonna be volatile tonight. I don't recommend you trading before the news announcement or during the news announcement. Wait at least 1 hour after the news to make sense of what the price might do. Okay, so as I said, are they tricking us before the news? That's the big question. They have been moving price aggressively during the whole day. And it doesn't make sense, because look at the DXY. It's been going up as well. The euro has been going down, gold has been going down, and oil has been going up. So that makes sense that Bitcoin should go down, but it's been going up. Are they tricking us? Let's find out after the news announcement. As I said also, we have a lot of short liquidation at 19.677, and that means they might gonna grab it, the market maker. They're gonna move price to this area. Maybe it's in short side, so they might want to move there, but they might also not gonna take it to this price. So we'll have to find out, but there's an interesting zone here, a lot of short liquidations. So there might be a reversal point here, where they might bring price up to 19.670 and then move it back down to 18.8, where we have some interesting volume candles. And third and most important point, the market maker will laugh again, no matter how the news place goes or how the price moves, because he's been going long and he's been going short, and he's gonna cover all the orders in the order book, and he's gonna take profits and liquidate both longs and shorts. That's my take on it. None of this is financial advice. All of this is for entertainment purposes and educational purposes only. So do whatever you want to do. Big Boss out.